This video is going to help pre-K through 2 teachers who use Seesaw as their primary learning platform be able to add their classes to GoGuardian. It's going to be a little bit of a different process than the grades 3 through 12 who use Google Classroom, but once you're logged in and you see your area for classrooms here, these will be blank. You're going to come up here to this green button that says Add Classroom, and you're going to have to do it a little bit more manually than the people that are using Google Classroom. So the first step is to click Add Classroom, and what you would do is you would type your classroom name, and maybe I'm going to call this Test Class Grade 1. You can select whatever subject it is. Obviously, you can just leave it as other. You don't have to put it in or description. A default scene, what we're going to do is we're going to get back to that in a little bit. That's how you want to customize what websites students are allowed to get to in each class. And then if you want to, you can color this any which way you want to. I'll make it red because why not? So what we're going to do is I'll hit Add Classroom, and right away you're going to see a screen about how to add students. Now you have 3 different ways to add students. As the teacher in the classroom, you can decide the easiest way to add the students. You can give them a code that they will be able to type in, or you can help them type it in. You can add individual emails, or you can upload a CSV spreadsheet file with all of your student email addresses, their Google Apps accounts. So whatever way you do it, if I go right here to student emails, I can do one email and then add another email and another email and another email, and we'll add the students. If I do a CSV import, what it's going to allow me to do is basically just a spreadsheet with all of my students' names on them and their email addresses top to bottom. Or you can just give the students the Enroll Code. The students will then go to enroll.goguardian.com. And for my particular class right here that I just made, it would be this code right here. Just a quick little note, if the students do the Enroll Code and they go to enroll.goguardian, they will hit this Enroll Code. They will not automatically get added to your classes. They will end up over here in this pending enrollment section. And you'll see the list of the kids that'll put their code in. You'll have to basically finalize their entry into the class. So I think that adding the students probably by their email address, or you making a list of all of their email addresses in a CSV file, I think that would probably be the easier way. However you manage your class and your devices, that's up to you. So you do have the 3 ways. Once you do that, you hit enter, all of your students will eventually appear inside this box right here. And then when you go back to your classrooms, it'll be just another class. So if you want to do it as your general class or maybe by subject, again, you can change your custom time for how long you are monitoring the class. So that's how, if you're using Seesaw as your primary learning platform in grades pre-K through 2, that's how you're going to add your classes to Google Classroom. Hope that helps. If not, reach out and we will help you out. Thanks.